Hello students, welcome in English class, and today we will start with the fourth chapter of Snapshot book, that is Albert Einstein at School. So firstly we will see its character. There are six main characters in this story. Albert Einstein himself, history teacher Mr. Braun, Albert only friend Yuri, the doctor Dr. Ernst Will, mathematics teacher Mr. Koch, and Albert's cousin sister Elsa. So here is Albert Einstein. All of you know about Albert Einstein? I think all of you know about him. So, it is surprising that a genius like Albert Einstein was a miserable failure at school, although he was one of the most intelligent persons of all times, and perhaps the greatest scientist since Newton. The passage deal with his miserable time at school and his expulsion. It is also a comment on the education system prevailing in Germany at that time. So, when the story starts, what happened? Einstein was studying at a German school in Munich. His history teacher, Mr. Braun, asked him in which year Napoleon was defeated at Waterloo by the Prussians. The boy get confused, he is unable to answer. He said he did not know the year. He must have forgotten. The teacher wanted to know if Einstein ever tried to learn. Einstein again said with usual honesty that he did not see any point in learning dates. He argued that one can always look up the dates in a book. There was no sense in learning facts, which were not the aim of education. Then the teacher get annoyed. The teacher then asked the boy to tell the class his theory of education. So, it was history class going on. Albert was unable to answer the question of his history teacher. He argued with the teacher that there was no sense in learning dates and the facts. We should learn why it happened, not when or what. According to him, they should know that why soldiers kill each other in that war, not the dates. Dates, anytime they can see in a book. So, when the teacher asked him his theory of education, then Albert Einstein told the class that, in his opinion, it was more important to know the ideas than to learn dates or facts. He would rather like to know why the soldier tried to kill one another. The teacher shouted that Einstein was a disgrace to the school and he had better ask his father to take him away. Albert felt very miserable. It was a hard day for him. He did not feel like going back to that hateful school the following morning, but his father was not likely to take him away until Einstein had taken his diploma. Being poor, he was putting up in a room in the poorest part of the Munich. His father was a poor man, so he was also put on a he was living in a room that was in a slum. He hated that place also because of a slum atmosphere. His landlady, the owner of his slum, beat her children regularly, and on weekends she herself was thrashed by her drunk husband. So Albert Einstein just hate to live there and to live in that slum and just hate to go to school because he was also in a miserable condition. Then, but he also know that his father will never let him come back before completing his diploma. Albert was lucky enough that he is having a sincere friend, Yuri. He discussed his problem of schooling as well as lodging with him. All his problems we can say that he shared with his friend. He doubted if he would ever pass the exam for the school diploma. He discussed his problem with his cousin, Elsa. Now one point is there, one is his friend Yuri and his one cousin is also there, Elsa. He asked Elsa that he could either pass the school diploma or not. When she came to Munich to meet him, she advised him to take the bean and just repeat what he learned in the examination. According to her cousin sister, he had just to repeat the all things which he learned in the class. But his problem was that he was not a good at learning things by heart. He can't learn. He can just only understand the things, not learn. He can't cram the things, we can say. She inquired which book he was carrying under his arm. It was a book on geology and not a textbook at all. He studied it because he liked the subject. His second interest was music. He played upon his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop that noise. She had already enough of howling by the kids. So he's having two interests. One, he read book of geology, and secondly, he loves music to play on violin. Albert told Yuri after 6 months that he must get away from there. It was absurd that he should waste his father's money. He wished to go to his country, Milan, Italy. He was studying in Germany, but he wished to go to Italy. He requested Yuri to get him a doctor's certificate that he had a nervous breakdown and he must leave the city. Now, what he planned? Einstein did not want to go to school, want to go that school of Germany. So what he planned, he asked his friend that please arrange one doctor certificate from him in which they can prove that Einstein had a nervous breakdown and he had to left the school. Yuri contacted his friend Dr. Ernstville. Here one more character is added, Dr. Ernstville. Though not a specialist in nervous disorder, he asked Albert to be honest about his intention of meeting the doctor. He told Einstein that he will be honest while talking to doctor. He will tell his problem to doctor. The doctor agreed to certify that Albert has a nervous breakdown and he must stay away from school from 6 months. The doctor did not charge any fee of his service. 6 months was a pretty long period. Albert won't be leaving the school and need be he could come back to do his diploma. Now he has a successful plan with him. He by the doctor, Dr. Ernstville. Dr. Ernstville is a friend of his friend Yuri. So he agreed to give him certificate and also not charge anything that he is having a nervous breakdown. So now he can take a rest from school for 6 months and can continue his diploma after 6 months. Albert planned to take that medical certificate to the head teacher next day. But Yuri advised him to get a reference in writing from his math teacher, Mr. Koch, first. Mr. Koch agreed with Albert that the latter was wasting his time in that class in Munich because he knew much more than even his teacher. He gave a certificate that Albert was ready to join some college for the study of higher maths. Actually, Albert is having interest in maths also. So his maths teacher is well impressed by him. His history teacher not get impressed by him, but his maths teacher is so much impressed by him because he know more than his teacher. So his friend advised him that also take in written from his teacher about math, that he is a genius in math, so that he can get admission in some other college for higher studies in maths. So while giving this certificate, submitting this certificate to the head, he was advised by his friend that he could also go from a certificate from Mr. Koch in written that he was good in maths. And his teacher also agreed for that and give him written. Then the head teacher sent for Albert. Albert wanted to go to head teacher with certificate, but what happened? The head teacher called Albert and told him that he wanted the boy to leave the school at once. It was a sort of expulsion, means he has expelled from school due to his behavior. The other way was that Albert should go of his own accord. The head teacher point was that Albert refused to learn and he was in constant rebellion. Albert declared that he was going to leave even otherwise. He walked out of the office and the school where he had spent 5 miserable years. Yuri saw him off with good wishes and good luck. He hoped that Albert would be happier in Milan. So, in this way, Albert Einstein left his school. So now again I want to discuss all the story with you so that all the points should clear with all. So here it is the story of Albert Einstein. His school days, we can say that.